be a chance. No, it isn't. Exactly. Now we know what his plans are. If he plays 15 balls, then there is trouble for the opposition. Dhoni.
That's nonchalant. I mean, honestly, Mr. Dhoni, have a look at it. It was pretty good. Just check out where it's gone, son.
Sixes as well, and this one almost a replay of the four that he hit the previous over, except that he hit this one slightly better.
Off his feet. Tries it again. Surely be one, there is only one.
Straight down the ground. Never seen a shot like that before. That's real.
Look at the bottom hand, and look at how he finishes. And it's gone the distance. It's a big round here at the IPCL, and he's cleared it quite easily. Dhoni is the call. He's hit it in the air. Peanut trying to get underneath it. And he's gone all the way.
Now, just watch this backswing. Just... There you go. That'll do. Sure what he did there, but it's very, very effective.